Hi there, students. Squelch, a verb, a noun as well, and squelchy, the adjective. So, what sort of noise do you make when you walk through mud? This squelching sound, this squelchy sound. I squelched through the mud to get to my car. So this is this sucking sound that makes when you walk in very soft muddy ground, and then this is to squelch. This is a squelching sound, a squelchy sound. And then we use squelch as well to mean to end something very quickly, to stop something quickly and completely. So I tried to squelch the rumours by making a public announcement. They tried to squelch my opposition to what they were doing, but they weren't able to. So to squelch, to stop something, to stop it from going ahead, to quickly end something that's causing you problems. So yes, squelching rumours. You can also actually use to squelch in electronics. Well, this is from the days where you had two-way radios and things like that, and it's a circuit that suppresses the signal so that you can hear better. It filters out the background noise. So to squelch, to stamp on something, to crush it. There was a snail crawling across the patio, and I squelched it. Okay, so to squelch resistance, to quell, to stop completely. And this is the idea of to squelch something, to something that's causing you problems, you stop it completely. The dictator squelched all opposition to him. They squelched everything that I tried to do. So to suppress, to silence. So they, what I was trying to say was squelched by shouting. Okay, to crush, to smash. So squelch. It's this squelchy noise, walking through something muddy, or to suppress completely, to squelch a rumour, to squelch your anger. The government troops squelched the revolt. They squelched the revolution. Okay, so to put down, to stop somebody from being listened to. The shouting squelched what I was trying to say. Okay, so to squelch. Firstly it's this onomatopoeic sound. Yeah, you squelch something, and then to squelch, a crushing remark, a put down. So you squelch what some people say to bring something to an end, like as if you're putting a heavy weight on it, or to hold something in check, to muffle it, to quench it, to repress it, to suppress it, to hold it back, to put a lid on it. So I heard footsteps squelching in the mud. The tomato hit the floor with a squelch, and then you squelch your way through the mud, or you squelch speculation, you squelch protest, you crush it completely. So you stop people from expressing their ideas. To stamp something out by force. So it can be difficult to squelch rumours. Now, let's see, as to origin, it's suggested that it is a mixture of the words to squash, to quell, and to quench. To squash, to quell, to stop a riot, and to quench your thirst, to bring down. And I think there's quite a lot of onomatopoeia to it as well. Formality. I squelched through the mud. 5 informality, use anywhere. I tried to squelch the rumour. 4 informality, use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing just about, but certainly no more. So, squelch.